Hi there! Contact forms are essential for a website to communicate with customers. WordPress doesn't offer form building opportunities by default. You have to install a third-party plugin. Here's another issue. You can customize styles or change any colors in most cases. But no worry, you can easily make your job done by using the Caldera Form widget of the Happy Elementor's add-ons. Let's see how to use the Caldera Form widget on your WordPress site powered by Elementor. Firstly, you need to install and activate the following plugins: the free version of the Elementor plugin, the free version of the Happy Addons plugin, and the Caldera Form plugin. Let's add a contact form like this one. Add the Caldera Form widget from the left sidebar, then select the form from the list. Please note, do make sure to install and activate the Caldera Form plugin to create your forms. You can see the contact form list on the list. Next, click on Style, Form Fields with Field Spacing, Padding, add a border type, border width, border color, border radius, and box shadow. Similarly, expand the form field label and change the label typography, text color, and required label color. Lastly, open the Submit button section and add a border type, border color, text, and background color. Also, you can add a hover effect. Explore other form options and apply all the settings one by one to get the best view of your contact form. Once you're done, save it and preview the final design of your form. Here's a special tip. You can directly use this design by applying our pro feature LiveCopy Paste. Let's see how to do it. One more thing that you can do with your design is to add advanced functions. It's a default feature of Elementor. Click on Advanced to explore more options. Here, you can adjust the margin, padding, z-index, CSS ID, and CSS classes to your design. For more information on designing your WordPress site, subscribe to our channel and connect us on our social pages to receive updates on designing your WordPress site using the Happy Addons plugin.